Hi Trailblazers, I'm Michaela and I'm going to show you how to set up Salesforce Payments in Lightning checkout. To be able to do that, we'll need a commerce lightweight runtime storefront, and it needs to be active and published, as you can see on the screen that I'm sharing. And then we need to enable payments in setup. So I will show you how to do that. So first in setup, type payments, and I already have it enabled because once you enable it, you cannot disable it. So after activating your experience site, you will see an enable button here. You will just click it, and then it takes a few minutes till a new app is created. After enabling it, you can see that if you open App Launcher, there is a new app called Payments. And in Payments, the first thing we need to do is to create a merchant account. You do it easily by clicking Add Account button and then choose the Stripe one and follow the wizard. So click Next, choose the country where payments are received and the name of your account. You can also add a description and then add account. Then it will take a few minutes till it gets loaded, and after that you'll need to enter your business address, your bank account. It can be a test one provided by Stripe, and the financial statement description and your tax ID, which is not mandatory. Okay, now we have this option to add information. Sorry about Spanish. And this opens a pop-up window, and in the pop-up window you just enter your email address, and if you don't have a Stripe account, a new account will be created. If you already have one, you can link this merchant account to that Stripe account. And after creating your Stripe account and connecting it to your Salesforce, your merchant account is also set up and enabled. Sometimes there is an error that it says disabled, and it helps if you just click the edit button and then suddenly it gets enabled. So now when our merchant account is active, we can go to Related and scroll all the way down to Payment Method Sets. And here, let's create a new one. And we can call it US Wallet, for example. And we can choose all the methods that we want to be available to use. So now let's go for credit cards and create. The next step is setting up Stripe. So from here, we can easily go to Stripe dashboards and log into your account. And in your Stripe account, navigate to Settings and scroll down to Payments. And in Payments, head to Payment Method Domains and add a new domain. And paste the URL of your experience site. I will also show you where to find it because we will go there anyways. So in all sites, and you can see the URL here. Just copy and paste it and save. Now it's automatically enabled. Now let's go to set up our page, open Builder, and navigate to Checkout page. And here open Components and drag the Salesforce Payments on the canvas. Then in settings of that component, choose Payment Method Sets and click the one that we created before. And you can see that the credit card is enabled here. Now just publish that. It will take a few minutes and you will receive a confirmation email once it's published. And that's all for today's video. I hope it was helpful, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. Thank you.